Hello and welcome to this practice of Yoga Nidra. Making sure now that the body is fully supported by the earth. Taking a moment to make any final adjustments so that you feel fully comfortable. And knowing now that all the doing has stopped. No need for you to do your relaxation. Just simply follow my voice. Feeling now that the body is fully settled into the earth. Feel the weight of the body releasing down more and more deeply into the warm arms of the ground as you exhale. Take one or two more fuller, deeper breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth to really connect with that sense of surrender. And give yourself permission now to have this time to practice Yoga Nidra. There's nowhere else to be, there's nothing else to do, and there's no one else to please. Becoming fully aware of your physical body on your mat. Feeling the supports beneath and around you. Feeling those supports holding you. Feeling the earth beneath you, warm and welcoming. And as you exhale now, notice the deep wish of the physical body to rest. And sense that with each passing exhale, you can release more deeply the entire weight of your physical body back into the warm arms of the earth. More deeply releasing into the warm embrace of the earth that supports you. And feel the deep wish of the body to meet the earth more completely. Finding that warm embrace more fully with each exhale. And sense the quality of the earth beneath you, stable, supportive, and nourishing. And notice the quality of the air around you, light and warm, and how the air itself wishes to quietly, gently move in to hold and support the physical body too. Feeling held, supported and loved by both earth and air together. And now invite your awareness into the space of the energetic heart behind the breastbone in the upper chest. And just sense the vastness of the space for a moment. And we plant a seed for our practice in this space. And let that seed be for this Yoga Nidra, that this practice draws on the healing properties of the earth to wherever you may need those properties most in this moment. That this practice of Yoga Nidra will draw on the healing properties of the earth into wherever you need those properties most. Sense it. Name it, feel that to be true in your heart now. And then invite your awareness to just ride on the rhythm of your breath for a moment. Feeling the breath moving effortlessly in and out of the body. We're going to take the awareness on a rotation throughout the body. We're going to use the image of a light in the color of your choice and taking that light of awareness around. Wherever the light is touched, there's a deep sense of nourishment and healing. Bringing the light of your awareness now to your right hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, buttock, thigh, knee, back of the knee, shin, calf, ankle, heel, top of the foot, sole of the foot, right big toe, first toe, second toe, third toe, little toe. The whole of the right side of the body, the whole of the right side of the body, alight with the qualities of nourishment and healing. Awareness now to the left side of the body, the left hand thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit, waist, hip, buttock, thigh, knee, back of the knee, shin, calf, ankle, heel, top of the foot, sole of the foot, left big toe, first toe, second toe, third toe, little toe. The whole of the left side of the body. The whole of the left side of the body, alight with the feelings of nourishment and comfort. And then awareness now into the back of the body, into the right heel, into the left heel, into the right buttock, into the left buttock, into the lower back, middle back, upper back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, base of the neck, base of the skull, back of the head, top of the head, hairline, forehead, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the center of the eyebrows, right eye, left eye, right eyelid, left eyelid, right cheek, left cheek, right nostril, left nostril, the tip of the nose, top lip, top teeth, bottom teeth, the tongue, the jaw, the chin, the throat, the base of the throat, right collarbone, left collarbone, right rib cage, left rib cage, the center of the ribs, the top of the belly button, the lower belly, the right groin, the left groin, and sense now the whole body together, the whole body together, alight with the sense of nourishment, healing, and comfort. And in this space of deep comfort, I'm going to invite now into your awareness the following images. Just allow the images to arrive and to be released with the same ease. The bright golden light of the warm sun. A dim, cool blue light of the glowing moon. A forest dense with trees. A desert empty and sparse. a fast flowing stream, a slow, steady river, a flock of birds across the sky, a lone bird perched in a tree, the vastness of the world, and your tiny body lying on it. The vastness of the world and your tiny body lying on it. The vastness of the world and your tiny body lying on it. As you exhale now, allow yourself to reconnect with that warm earth beneath you. And meet the earth fully and completely with deep affection, as you would greet your oldest, dearest friend. And sense the earth as a source of beautiful healing energy. A healing energy that flows freely, deep from within the earth up to the surface through your entire body. Exhale to settle the body deeply back into the loving, healing arms of the earth. And feel the breath arising out of the earth. Draw in the healing energy of the earth with each inhale. The more you offer your body into the support of the earth as you exhale, the more spacious you feel on the inside. And the more space you have to be filled with the healing, loving energy of the earth. Feel and see the breath move into the space created by the deep release of the exhalation. And see the breath move effortlessly through your entire body, carrying lightly the warm, tender, healing energy drawn up from the earth below. Warm and tender, it moves seamlessly from the depths of your earthed body. Warm and tender, it moves to the highest, most outer edges of your body. With each breath, you receive the exact healing that you need in this moment. With each breath, you know and trust that you are loved, healed, and replenished. With each breath, you are whole. Sense and imagine and feel the whole body bathed in the healing energy of the earth, carried by the breath from the depths into your body, into the outer edges of your body's landscape. Healed. And then invite the light of your awareness back into the energetic heart behind the breastbone in the upper chest. And just for a moment more, sense the vastness of this space. And then remember the seed of your practice. That this practice drew on the healing properties of the earth to wherever you needed it the most in this moment. And feel the body, heart, and mind healed. Know this healing to have taken place. Know it to be true. And then becoming once again aware now of the physical shape of your body and its weight as it rests on the earth beneath you. And see your body in your mind's eye on your mat. Imagine the floor beneath you, walls around you, ceiling above you. And become aware now that the practice of Yoga Nidra has come to an end. Allowing each following inhalation to bring in a deeper sense of alertness back to every cell within the body. And you feel willing and ready now with the next full deep inhale to bring a little movement back to the body. Deepening the breath. This practice has now finished. Hari Om Tat Sat.